In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender's Fly Walk View mode. Click the middle mouse button and drag to orbit the view. This is how we orbit the view in the viewport, but the render image is not going to be produced from the viewport angle. What this camera is looking at is going to be what is going to be rendered on the scene. Go to View, Cameras, and Active Camera. For those who have the numpad on their keyboard can use the numpad 0 to access the camera view. If we use G and X or Y or Z to move the camera view will change. Blender has a built-in feature to allow the users to control the camera view angle freely, by using the Fly and Walk View mode. That is to go to the camera view, or by pressing numpad 0, and pressing Shift and _ together. If we move the mouse, the camera's view angle will change like this. W to zoom in, S to zoom out, A to move left, and D to move right. Move the mouse while pressing A or D to slide. E to move up, and Q to move down. Click the left mouse button to stop the Fly and Walk View mode. If we hold Shift while using the keyboard navigation, the change will be much quicker like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.